DC Circuit Analysis, Fundamental Concepts and Techniques. DC circuit analysis is a foundational topic in electrical engineering, focusing on understanding and solving electrical circuits powered by direct current, DC. This study guide covers essential concepts, laws, and problem-solving techniques to analyze DC circuits effectively. Key concepts. 1. Electric charge and current. Electric charge is a property of matter that interacts with electric and magnetic fields, measured in coulombs, C. Electric current, measured in amperes, A, is the rate of flow of charge through a conductor, defined as I is equal to Qt, where Q is charge and T is time. 2. Electric potential. Voltage is the work done to move a unit positive charge between 2 points, measured in volts, V. It is calculated as V is equal to WQ, where W is work done in joules and Q is charge. 3. Electric power. Power is the rate at which electrical energy is transferred or consumed, given by P is equal to V times I, where P is power in watts, W, V is voltage, and I is current. 4. Sources. Voltage sources, example, batteries, provide constant voltage, while current sources deliver constant current. Fundamental laws. 1. Ohm's law. This law states that current, I, through a conductor is directly proportional to voltage, V, across it, with resistance, R, as the proportionality constant, V is equal to I times R. 2. Kirchhoff's laws. Current law, KCL. The total current entering a node equals the total current leaving it, based on charge conservation. Voltage law, KVL. The sum of all voltages in a closed loop equals 0, based on energy conservation. Circuit configurations. 1. Series circuits. Components are connected end-to-end, sharing the same current. Total resistance is the sum of individual resistances. 2. Parallel circuits. Components are connected across the same voltage source, splitting current. Equivalent resistance is calculated using inverse addition. Analysis techniques. 1. Nodal analysis uses KCL to calculate node voltages by writing equations for currents leaving or entering nodes. 2. Mesh analysis uses KVL to determine loop currents by writing equations for voltage drops around circuit loops. Problem-solving examples. Ohm's law. A 10 ohms resistor with 5V across it has a current of 0.5 A. Series resistance. Resistors of 5 ohms, 10 ohms, and 15 ohms in series have a total resistance of 30 ohms. Parallel resistance. Resistors of 6 ohms and 3 ohms in parallel have an equivalent resistance of 2 ohms. Advanced techniques. Thevenin equivalent simplifies circuits to a single voltage source and resistance. For example, a circuit with a 10V source and resistors yields VTH is equal to 6.67V and RTH is equal to 3.33 ohms. DC circuit analysis is essential for understanding electrical systems, enabling engineers to design and troubleshoot circuits efficiently.